What is up, guys? I got a new timer. I obviously did some work to the putting green, and now we gotta wait for some seed to germinate. But I got this timer to help me out. We're gonna get into it. Let's go. So this is an Orbit. It was not sent to me. I bought it off Amazon. It runs on 2 AA batteries. So I'm gonna hook it up to my irrigation pump. It's gonna run 4 times a day. We're gonna see if we can get this seed in this grass to look like a putting green instead of dirt. Now, my one main concern is that if this gets messed up by rainwater, if the batteries mess up, if the batteries die, there's a possibility that it could drain my water holding tank. And that's not good, because it'll just siphon out, soak the whole green, and I will have no water to continue doing this. If it comes through, that's good. I'm hoping it comes through, but we'll find out. This is the beginning of the video. You guys won't see this video for like a few weeks. I'm doing this now. Different date. Never mind. We'll get into it. So what I'm going to do now is just test it on the manual setting. So it's on manual. You just hit that button. I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And it should just kick on. Okay, there it goes. So as you can see, the water is working just fine, the timer is on, and it's functioning, which is crucial. Now after 4 to 5 days, I had great germination across the putting green. Couldn't be happier with that. And then at the beginning of week 3, I gave it its first mow. It's looking pretty good, not completely filled in, but we'll keep on working on it during these hot summer months. Although the Orbit timer has a limited settings function, that is just fine by me. For the price of $49, it helped me out greatly to get this grass back and established. My seed germinated with minimal effort. So what you can do with it is it'll do every 6 hours or every 12 hours, or you can go once or twice a day, depending on what you want. But for me, it's usually going to be the 6-hour setting and then weaning it off to the 12-hour setting. But like I said, for $49, this thing's awesome. It did not fail me. The batteries didn't run out. I had no issues at all. I'll definitely be using it again. Just a quick review on something I bought off Amazon because I needed it to help me out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.